Hello everyone, this is Nasima Banu from the final year in the Department of Education from the Central University of Tamil Nadu. Now we will be seeing an ICT tool which is used for students with special educational needs. Here I have taken GoTit as an ICT tool. So let's get into detail about it. What is GoTit Real Writer and Reader? GoTit is a software and an app were designed and developed for mainly dyslexics and or dysgraphics in order to help them gain their writing and reading. So it is an advanced desktop software and it is a digital download product and it is suitable for PC, which means most suitable for PC. It can be downloaded in Android also, and the connection type is download only, and it requires internet connection only for download. It can work offline also. And as I told you in the beginning, it helps people with dyslexia and or dysgraphia. It can be installed in PC by GoTit installation file from the GoTit website. This software is a good teaching and learning tool for the students with dyslexia and dysgraphia. So what is dyslexia and dysgraphia? So dyslexia is a condition in which individuals have difficulty with reading, and dysgraphia is the condition in which individuals have difficulty with writing. And why this software is a good teaching and learning tool? This software itself made especially for dyslexics and dysgraphics. So its main features are framed in order to help the people who are having dyslexia and dysgraphia. So I have taken a few features of this software which can be directly linked in order to help the dyslexics and dysgraphics. Predict anywhere. So the word prediction service is a great productivity tool that assists people who type slowly, and GoTit word prediction offers the user word predictions in line when the user is typing, allowing the user to select predicted words and thereby reducing the amount of typing required by the user. GoTit's word prediction provides highly accurate predictions specifically when the writer is dyslexic or dysgraphic. Advanced grammar and phonetic spell checker. GoTit offers a unique context spell checker. Ordinary spell checkers are tuned for people with mild spelling and typing mistakes and therefore prefer to offer a relatively short editing distance in order to minimize the list of candidate words. Here, context spell checking algorithms comes to play. Once an effective context spell checking is introduced, a large editing distance can be introduced since the spell checker can leverage the context of the sentence to optimize the suggested word list and remove the unwanted out of context words. GoTit has developed an innovative context spell checker which is optimized for the people with dyslexia and dysgraphia and other learning abilities. And GoTit performs grammar and punctuation corrections. The corrections are performed using both grammar rules definitions and contextual spell checking algorithms that analyze the correct grammatical intention of the sentence based on the context of the sentence. Speak as you write and write as you speak. In this image, we could see the voice button in the left, and below it we could see the text button. So if we click on that voice button and speak whatever we want to say, it will directly convert it into text format, and if the text format we could write, then it will translate it in voice format. So this GoTit helps people who on daily basis need to overcome reading and writing problems. Integration with all text editing applications. GoTit has word prediction and it has integrated the text to speech feature to different opinions of the GoTit spell checker, including the integrated dictionary which helps the people who are with dyslexia and dysgraphia. Here are the few advantages of the GoTit reader. It helps to listen to class notes, textbooks and electronic text which facilitates the education, and it avoids eye strain from too much reading, and it helps in learning languages which you don't know, and it helps in preparation of speeches by hearing your work read aloud by using speak as you write and write as you speak, and it helps in listening e-books or e-material during journey, and it can be adapted easily to say whatever users want them to say, and it can help in reading large paragraphs and offers range of different accents and voices. For people who are having dyslexia and dysgraphia, Quoted helps people challenged with reading English text such as a website page or document, and it assists people familiar with the frustration of producing terribly spelled text even after investing a lot of time in correcting the text. So these are the few advantages of the Quoted reader. As we all know that every coin has two sides, this Quoted reader also has disadvantages. What are they? So the system is very time consuming as it requires huge databases. As a result, speech synthesis consumes more processing power. The resulting speech is less than the natural and emotionless, and this is because it is impossible to get audio recordings of all possible words spoken in all the possible combinations of emotions. And pronunciation analysis from written text is a major concern in this Quoted reader. It is difficult to build a perfect system. Filtering background noise is a task which can even be difficult for humans to accomplish. These are the few disadvantages of this Quoted reader. Here I have left the references for this Quoted reader. You all can access to it and get more details about it. And that's it, guys. Thank you.